Did you know that according to a recent study, only 13% of people are happy with their lives? That means that 87% of people are unhappy, dissatisfied, or unfulfilled. That's a huge number, and it's very sad. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can be part of the 13% who are happy and successful if you follow these 7 game-changing steps that I'm going to show you in this video. The first step to transform your life is to have a clear and compelling vision of what you want to achieve, why you want to achieve it, and how you will achieve it. A vision is not just a vague wish or a dream, but a specific and realistic goal that you can measure and track. To create your vision, you need to ask yourself some questions, such as, what are you passionate about? What are your strengths and talents? What are the problems that you want to solve? What are the values that guide you? What are the benefits that you will get from achieving your vision? Write down your answers and make sure they are aligned with your true self and purpose. Identify your obstacles. The second step is to identify the obstacles that are holding you back from reaching your vision. Obstacles can be external, such as lack of resources, time, money, or support, or internal, such as limiting beliefs, fears, doubts, or habits. To identify your obstacles, you need to be honest and objective with yourself and ask some questions, such as, what are the challenges that you are facing or might face in pursuing your vision? What are the negative thoughts or emotions that you have or might have about your vision? What are the behaviors or actions that you are doing or not doing that are preventing you from achieving your vision? Write down your answers and make sure they are accurate and realistic. The third step is to overcome the obstacles that you have identified in the previous step. Overcoming obstacles is not easy, but it is possible and necessary if you want to achieve your vision. To overcome your obstacles, you need to be proactive and creative and use some strategies such as seek help from others who have overcome similar obstacles or who can support you in your journey. Learn new skills or knowledge that can help you overcome your obstacles or improve your performance. Change your mindset or attitude and replace negative thoughts or emotions with positive ones. Change your behavior or action and adopt new habits or routines that can help you overcome your obstacles or move you closer to your vision. Write down the strategies that you will use and make sure they are effective and feasible. Fourth step is to take action towards your vision. Taking action is the most important and rewarding step, as it is the only way to make your vision a reality. To take action, you need to be consistent and committed and follow some steps, such as break down your vision into smaller and more manageable goals that you can achieve in a short period of time. Create a plan or a schedule that outlines the steps that you need to take to achieve each goal and the resources that you need to use. Execute your plan or schedule and do the tasks that you have assigned to yourself every day, week, or month. Monitor your progress and track your results using tools such as journals, calendars, or apps. Write down your goals, plan, and progress, and make sure they are clear and visible. Celebrate your wins. The fifth step is to celebrate your wins along the way. Celebrating your wins is essential to keep you motivated and inspired, and to acknowledge your efforts and achievements. To celebrate your wins, you need to be grateful and proud and do some things, such as reward yourself with something that you enjoy or value, such as a treat, a gift, or a break. Share your wins with others who care about you or who can appreciate your work, such as your family, friends, or mentors. Reflect on your wins and how they have improved your life or moved you closer to your vision. Write down your wins and how you celebrated them, and make sure they are meaningful and memorable. Learn from your failures. The sixth step is to learn from your failures along the way. Learning from your failures is crucial to keep you growing and improving, and to avoid making the same mistakes again. To learn from your failures, you need to be resilient and curious and do some things, such as accept your failures and take responsibility for them without blaming yourself or others. Analyze your failures and identify the causes and consequences of them without exaggerating or minimizing them. Learn from your failures and extract the lessons and feedback that you can use to improve your future performance. Write down your failures and what you learned from them, and make sure they are constructive and helpful. Adjust your course. The seventh and final step is to adjust your course as you go along. Adjusting your course is necessary to keep you on track and to adapt to the changing circumstances and opportunities that you may encounter. To adjust your course, you need to be flexible and open-minded and do some things, such as review your vision and goals regularly and make sure they are still relevant and realistic. Evaluate your strategies and actions periodically and make sure they are still effective and efficient. Change your vision, goals, strategies, or actions if needed and if they are no longer serving you or your purpose. Write down the changes that you made and why you made them, and make sure they are positive and beneficial. And that's it. These are the 7 game-changing steps that can help you unlock a positive transformation in your life. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of these steps and how they have worked for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.